as you get low to the ground, and the wing's going to veer slightly.
500. Approaching minimums. Approaching minimums.
Good.
Minimums. 300.
So you can see you've got quite an angle going at the moment.
200.
Single centre line going through the aircraft.
100.
Still got that angle
50.
on.
40.
That's it.
30.
Now, kick it
20.
left
10.
pedal. That's better. That's really good. Keep that left on, keep wing to wing.